So here we have another stained glass Tiffany style lamp, and this one is, I think it's called Brass Cane, and it's a beautiful lamp, and we purchased it, had it shipped, and I don't know if it's because it was around the holidays, but it did not make shipments. The box was beat up, and it was wrapped really good, and it still got broke. So it was in an abusive situation and didn't make it out. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to remove this broken one here and this broken one here, and in doing so I'm hoping we're going to figure out how we can either bend this out and then bend it back, and I was hoping to work from the inside so that if we can't get it back perfect, at least the outside edge looks good and straight. You can see how it looks good and straight here on this edge. So we're going to try to remove this. I'm not exactly sure how we're going to do it. I think I'm going to try to tilt this out, and then hopefully I can pull this piece out, use it as a template to make 3 more. I do not have this type of glass, so I'm going to end up putting in some other colors, but just to get it repaired. I don't really mind if it's different colors anyways. It'll be cool. Okay, let's give it a try.